This is Demco part number 6206, the original equipment or OE adapter for the Chevy GMC puck system. This part number is specifically for the 8-foot bed. This adapter system will work with any industry standard fifth wheel hitch. Please note, for the Chevy General Motors 6.5-foot bed, you will need part number 6194. They will install in a similar manner. To install the adapter, first remove the bed puck covers if installed. Turn the locking plate so it is facing side to side. Lower the frame adapter into the factory pucks. Make sure the frame is fully placed into the pucks. You will want to note that the longer pucks on the bottom of the adapter will be placed in the forward or cab side holes in the bed. Then, turn the locking plate 1/4 turn so it is facing front to back, and the locking holes line up. Now, install and tighten the 1/4-inch internal lock washer and 1/4-inch thumb bolt to secure locking plate in place. In the 8-foot bed, place the washer and thumb bolt in the rear hole, and for the 6.5-foot bed, place in the cab side or front hole. To check the adapter, lift up on the frame to make sure it is securely fastened. When you want to remove this from your truck, simply reverse the order of the steps and remove.